friend, I'm so happy you're here because today I'm decorating my front courtyard for fall. Fall is my favorite season of the year and I'm super excited about it. I can't wait to get my decorations out and add some color and warmth to the courtyard in front of my house. Before we get started, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Today I'm going to be decorating the front courtyard of my home. I'm going to get it all cleaned up and ready, and then I'll decorate it for fall. I'm going to put together a little basket to put out on my front patio, and I'm going to put these little woven balls inside, and then I'm going to go ahead and put in some beautiful flowers and just stick them in those little grapevine balls. These flowers remind me so much of fall, and I'll just put them in as if I've just picked them and they're just sitting in the basket. I love having a lantern outside in the fall and winter. It's so nice to have that wonderful candlelight. I'm going to make a quick bow just to put on my lantern. I'm going to start right here with the ribbon. I've left the tail on one end, and I'm just going to make a loop and twist it together. And then I'll just keep going along, twisting the ribbon, making loop after loop until I have a really nice bow to put on my lantern. And just twist it if you need to. If you have a patterned ribbon that only has a pattern on one side, that'll work just fine. Try to get your loops as even as possible. When you have as many loops as you want and nice even tails, then it's time to just take a big twist tie and put it right around the middle, right where you've been holding the ribbon together. Put it on and twist it, and make sure you have one that's long enough that you can easily attach it to something with some extra of the twist tie. Then fluff up your bow just the way you want it, and it's ready to use and put on whatever you want to use it on. It's just that easy. I'll just attach this right to the top of my lantern. Of course, it's much easier if you use a ribbon that has the same pattern on both sides, and of course a ribbon that has wires. Wired ribbon always works much better for these types of things. We'll take away this spring doormat. We don't need this spring and summer doormat anymore. I'll get everything swept up and clean. The first thing I always start with is my wreath. It's always my inspiration for whatever season I'm decorating. We always want to fluff up our bow and fluff up our wreath when we hang it up. A fall doormat will be the perfect thing to welcome guests this new season. We'll want to add the lantern to bring in all of that light right outside the door. And of course, to go right along with our fall decorating, we're going to add a pumpkin at the front door and another pumpkin on this side to tie it together. Seating area, we'll add some wonderful fall pillows. A super soft plushy throw blanket will be perfect for cool mornings or cool evenings sitting outside. And now for a little table. A delightful pumpkin and the beautiful fall basket will be perfect outside on our fall table. Let's look back and see how everything turned out. It's much cozier and perfect for the new fall season. I am so happy you're here. I had such a great time decorating the front courtyard of my house for fall. It's going to be so nice to welcome guests this season. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and be sure to come back for many, many more decorating videos.